Hello and welcome here at the EPHG at the pitch of the startups attending the show. Could you present yourself, your name, your function, the name of your company, and its area of expertise?
So thank you for inviting us and letting us participate to this trade show. We like it very much. And we are the company Digilac. We are a startup based in Neuchâtel, Switzerland. And I am the co-founder together with David Bracciale, which is my associate. The company was established in 2020, and our mission is to digitalize the small, medium, and large enterprises. We have customers between 50 to 10,000 employees. And our mission is, like I said before, to digitalize their project management, documentation, and customer services.
Can you explain a little bit the process that entails?
So basically, every time we start a mission, we interview the customer to understand what are their problems, what things they impede them to be efficient in their daily work. At the same time, what are the things that probably are creating friction in their team collaboration. We are specialized in team collaboration. And when there is no share of information, you create frictions in the team. So our mission is to identify those friction points and remove them. And sometimes that is solved with a cultural shift by understanding the ethos of the company, and sometimes also by implementing the systems we represent.
But before implementing, then that requires quite a, I guess, significant consulting phase to understand all those processes.
Absolutely. Like I say, we always first start with understanding the customer problem. We don't go there and say, you need to use this. First, we understand the problem, we discuss what are the friction points, and then we propose a plan to implement the systems and the cultural shift that creates in the company the concept of radical collaboration. Basically, collaborate without barriers, without creating silos.
And do you specialize in different types of industries, or is it kind of crossing?
Sure, we are official Atlassian partners in Switzerland. And Atlassian is an Australian company, now worldwide, that created a very well-known program called Jira, which is a defect tracking and agile project management system, and also Confluence, which is for document management, and Jira Service Management to allow you to manage your help desk, also your customer interaction. If you sell a product and your product has a problem, we create portals for people to interact with the company providing the service.
And can your solution be simply added onto existing IT solutions, or do you have to provide also a full reshuffle of the infrastructure?
No, we don't have the intention to replace all the systems. We integrate with existing systems. The beautiful thing of the Atlassian ecosystem is that you have 5,000 add-ons or applications in the marketplace that allows you to add functionality that the base product doesn't have. So because of that, we can connect with SAP, we can connect with other systems, with Microsoft Office 365 or Google Drive, etc., or any kind of third-party service that has a different purpose, but they need to be connected.
Can you share with us some examples of concrete examples of how your solutions have helped in terms of gain of efficiency in particular for some of your clients?
This was before we created the company. So David and I participated in a very large project in our previous employer, which is the company Autodesk, the makers of AutoCAD. And we deployed Jira and Confluence from 30 to 8,000 users. That was the entire engineering team, about 4,000 people, plus then slowly the sales team, the marketing team, the legal team. And the idea was to break the barriers, to be able to say all the information is open by default and we only close it on demand. Many companies work in the other way. It's closed by default and we open on demand. The second model creates silos, because maybe you are doing something which is useful to me, but I cannot see it until someone tells me, hey, this person did something that could be good for you. In the model we create is always saying, hey, information is available to everyone, everyone is responsible for the good use of the information. Of course, you have the company secrecy policy, etc. But at the same time, we have this vision that what someone else did could be useful for someone else in the company.
And by participating here at the PHG, have you found some prospects or ideas?
We found prospects. It's an industry which are entering. It's not an industry which we are. We have a very good watchmaking company in Switzerland, which is our customer. But the tool machining industry is something that we didn't enter yet, and there is a big possibility there to whenever people work, there is collaboration or possible collaboration, and our methodologies and our experience can help them increase that collaboration.
But does it work better for large-sized companies or for small to medium-sized companies? You can be also.
I'll give you an idea. Our smallest customer has 50 employees. And we have customers with 10,000, even 40,000 employees. We have customers in the television and media in Germany. We have in the tobacco industry also. So there is a different palette of possible customers. For us, the size doesn't mean that people or companies or opportunities are less interesting. For us, our mission is collaboration. And when there are small companies, it is much easier to implement a cultural change. A big company has a lot of inertia, and changing that for, let's say, another way of working is far more difficult and far more challenging.
Okay, well, thank you very much for passing by, and best of luck for your business.
Thank you very much, and thank you for the opportunity of attending this trade show. It's the first time for us in the Monde de la Haute Précision. But we believe that the opportunity is very interesting for us.
Excellent. Thank you very much.
Thank you.